NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, has a rich history spanning over 6 decades. From its origins in the Cold War era to its current plans for human exploration of Mars and beyond, NASA has been at the forefront of scientific discovery and human achievement. The early years of NASA were marked by the race to space between the United States and the Soviet Union. In 1957, the Soviet Union launched Sputnik, the first artificial satellite, into orbit, sparking concerns about national security and technological superiority. In response, President Dwight D. Eisenhower established NASA in 1958 to coordinate civilian space activities and promote scientific research. NASA's early successes included the Mercury and Gemini programs, which sent astronauts into orbit and laid the groundwork for the Apollo program, which aimed to land humans on the Moon. In 1969, NASA achieved this goal with the historic Apollo 11 mission, which saw astronauts Neil Armstrong and Edwin "Buzz" Aldrin become the first humans to set foot on the lunar surface. Following the Apollo program, NASA shifted its focus to the Space Shuttle program, which aimed to make space travel more routine and affordable. The Space Shuttle flew over 130 missions between 1981 and 2011, launching and repairing satellites, conducting scientific research, and building the International Space Station. In recent years, NASA has embarked on ambitious missions to explore the outer solar system and beyond. The New Horizons spacecraft, launched in 2006, made a historic flyby of Pluto in 2015, revealing new insights into the dwarf planet's geology and atmosphere. The Juno spacecraft, launched in 2011, has been studying Jupiter's atmosphere and magnetic field since 2016, shedding light on the planet's formation and evolution. Looking to the future, NASA has set its sights on human exploration of Mars and beyond. The Artemis program, announced in 2019, aims to land humans on the Moon by 2024 and establish a sustainable presence there by 2028, as a stepping stone to Mars. NASA is also partnering with private companies like SpaceX to develop technologies and capabilities for deep space exploration and settlement. The history of NASA is a story of scientific discovery, technological innovation, and human achievement. From the early days of the space race to the current era of deep space exploration, NASA has pushed the boundaries of what is possible and inspired generations of scientists and explorers. As NASA continues to pursue its bold vision for the future, we can only imagine the discoveries and triumphs that lie ahead. One of the most significant contributions of NASA has been the development of new technologies that have had practical applications beyond space exploration. For example, NASA's research on lightweight materials and advanced composites has led to the development of stronger and more fuel-efficient cars, airplanes, and sporting equipment. NASA has also played a key role in climate research and environmental monitoring. Satellites launched by NASA have provided critical data on the Earth's atmosphere, oceans, and land, helping scientists to better understand and address global environmental issues like climate change, deforestation, and natural disasters. In addition to its scientific achievements, NASA has also inspired countless people around the world to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM. The space program has captured the imagination of generations of children and adults alike, and has motivated many to pursue careers in fields that support NASA's mission. However, NASA's history has not been without its setbacks and tragedies. The Challenger and Columbia disasters, which claimed the lives of 14 astronauts, were devastating losses for NASA and a reminder of the risks and challenges of space exploration. These tragedies also led to important safety reforms and improvements in NASA's culture and procedures. Looking to the future, NASA faces many challenges and uncertainties. Funding for space exploration is always a subject of political debate, and the rise of private companies in the space industry has raised questions about the role of government agencies like NASA. However, NASA's legacy of scientific discovery, technological innovation, and human achievement ensures that it will continue to be a major force in the exploration and understanding of the universe. The history of NASA is a testament to the power of human curiosity, ingenuity, and perseverance. From its early days in the space race to its current efforts to explore the outer solar system and beyond, NASA has inspired generations of scientists, engineers, and explorers to push the boundaries of what is possible. As we look to the future, we can only imagine the discoveries and achievements that lie ahead. One of the most fascinating aspects of NASA's history is the human element. NASA has sent hundreds of astronauts into space, each with their own stories, experiences, and perspectives. These brave men and women have pushed the limits of human endurance and explored the unknown, all in the name of scientific discovery and progress. The iconic images of astronauts walking on the Moon, floating in space, and performing scientific experiments have captured the world's imagination and inspired countless people to dream of exploring the stars. But behind these images are the personal stories of the astronauts themselves, who have faced incredible challenges and overcome incredible obstacles to achieve their goals. From the first astronauts selected for the Mercury program to the current crews of the International Space Station, NASA's astronauts have come from diverse backgrounds and brought a wide range of skills and experiences to their missions. They have been scientists, engineers, pilots, doctors, and military officers, and have all undergone rigorous training and testing to prepare for the physical and mental demands of spaceflight. Along the way, they have faced numerous challenges, including the physical and emotional stress of spaceflight, the dangers of launch and re-entry, and the isolation and confinement of long-duration missions. But they have also experienced the wonder and beauty of space, from the breathtaking views of the Earth and the stars to the sense of awe and humility that comes from seeing the universe in all its vastness and complexity. Despite the risks and challenges, NASA's astronauts continue to be some of the most dedicated and passionate explorers in the world. They are driven by a deep sense of curiosity, a desire to push the boundaries of human knowledge and understanding, and a belief in the power of science and exploration to make the world a better place. In conclusion, the history of NASA is not just a story of scientific discovery and technological innovation, but also a story of human courage, determination, and spirit. From the early pioneers of the space race to the current crews of the International Space Station, NASA's astronauts have exemplified the best of what it means to be human, to explore, to discover, and to reach for the stars.